Mabuhay! I am Julian Pasha Octaviano, a cruise line operation in hotel services, a student from Lyceum of the Philippines, University Laguna. So for this week, I am going to demonstrate the dry heat cooking. For the ingredients, we have butter, rice, chicken broth, and especially pepper, salt, and onion, and the salmon. With the corn, baby corn, and the carrots. So for the dry heat cooking method, the learning objective was apply various techniques and methodology in grilling and sauteing. So the first thing to do was put the butter to the pan. Then melt it. Wait it until it met, then add the onion first to get the onion tastier. Still mix it after a minute. And after a while, put the rice or the long grain and mix it to get the rice tastier in a butter with onion. After a minute, put the chicken broth inside the pot and stir it to get the juiciness of the chicken broth, the rice rather. Then close it with the pan. And while waiting, we will do the grilling of the salmon. So first, put the olive oil, just a little of olive oil. Then spread it to the pan. And when it turns hot, put the salmon, and especially put the salmon in olive oil. And after a minute, turn it back the salmon to get the other side crispy also. After grilling the salmon, check the rice if it's okay or if it needs to add a water. Also, we can add the butter. Then after adding the butter, we need to mix it to get the butter tasty to the rice. And to get the juiciness of the rice with the butter. Then after a minute, we can add the taste of salt and pepper. After it, we can also add again a taste of salt and pepper to get the most tastier of the rice or the juiciness. Then add the thyme. In here we can add the chicken broth and butter. Then let's check if the rice is now getting much better. Then let's see the texture of the rice. After this, let's put some carrots and the corn to get the filling of the rice. After that, let's close the pan. Then after a minute, let's check it out again if the rice will much better. Then let's see if the rice will get better. In here, we will check if the texture of the rice will ready to set. Then it's done. The next will be plating of the rice with the salmon. So first I put the salmon, then the rice. After that, I put some side dish like the carrots and the corn, and I also add the lemon. Also, I put the sauce in the salmon to get the salmon most tastier or more tastier or juicy. So this will be my dry heat cooking method, soothing and grilling.